Welcome to Embed360, helping you sell more of what you love to create. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to take your Embed360 shop code and add it to your Shopify website, step by step. Feel free to pause during any part of this tutorial. Let's get started. Let's first start by adding the Embed360 supporting code to your Shopify website. Navigate to your Shopify website and edit your theme. Next, click on Add section from the left column under Footer. Search for Custom Liquid and add it to your Footer section. Navigate to the Embed360 website. In the left column under Etsy Embed, click Embed Code from the navigation. Locate the Embed360 supporting code and copy it to your clipboard by clicking on the clipboard icon as shown. Head back to your website and paste in the copied code in the Custom Liquid input box in the right column, then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully completed the first step. Now let's add your main shop listing page to your website. Exit out of your theme and in the left column under Online Store, click Pages. In the upper right corner, click Add Page. Give the page a name. In this example, we will call the page Shop, but you can call the page whatever you'd like. Next, click on the Show HTML button in the editor window. Head back over to Embed360 and locate the main shop supporting code and copy it to your clipboard. Navigate back to your website and paste the copied code into the content input and click Save. Next, click on the visible button and click Save to save your changes. Next, click on Content in the left column, then Menus. In the Menus list, click on Main Menu. Now click Add Menu Item. Give the menu item a name in the label input. Next, locate pages from the link drop-down list. And select the shop page we created earlier and click Save. Feel free to reorder the menu items as you see fit. Be sure to save your changes. You have successfully completed step 2. Let's move on to the final step. The final step is to link your website with Embed360. This step is important. Head over to your theme and preview the page. Click on the newly created shop page from the main navigation. Copy the shop page's URL to your clipboard. Head back over to Embed360 and in the left column click on Settings under Etsy Embed. Paste in the copied URL in the first input box. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save button. Navigate back to your website and refresh your shop page and should notice your listings appear on the page. Nice work! And that's how easy it is to embed your Etsy shop on Shopify using Embed360. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, or check out our Help Center for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!